Hello Odors, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to automatically calculation pricing of the product based on a length, height and width. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module their product dimension. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to style site, go to products, go to anyone like table. Now open this and under this dimension section provided here this option. If product price is not fixed, then you physically calculation based on this and dimension pricing or your selected method. And if allow this option, then applying same rule in the all companies. Now provided here this dimension method like length by width, length with height and length only. So here I want a length with height. Select here you want like as a meter and now set here minimum and maximum price. I want to set here length minimum 10, maximum 20. Width length here 10 to 25 and height also 15 to 30. And now set here weight per meter like a 5 and save. Now go to purchase app and create new order. Select vendor like Anita and add here product table. And now provided here this field length, width, height and meter. And now here I already set between 10 to 20 and when you try to here 5 and try to save, then display here this warning length must be at least 10 meter for product table. You entered only 5. So here need to enter between your setted. So here add total 10. Same applying rules with width and height. 10 and height here set total 20. Let's see. And see here meter calculation based on this length, width and height. When you print this purchase order and display here in PDF report height, width and weight and also meter calculation based on this. Now go to sales site and create new order. Select here customer like a deco ID and add here product like a table. And same applying rules like here I add only 5 and try to save, then display here this warning. So add here 50 and height total 18. Let's save and see here based on this length with height calculation meter display. And also above display when you click on, then display dimension summary and also total weight. Now print the cell order. And display here in the cell order height, width and weight, width, measurement. Now to confirm this. Now procedure. And now create invoice. And when you create invoice for this product, then also load here length, width and height of this product and display here measurement. calculation. Now print this invoice. And also display here height, width and weight with measurement. Now go to website, go to the shop, now go to this table, and when you select this product, then display here in this right section must be added between 10 to 20 length, 10 to 25 width and height must be added between 15 to 30. Then you add here 0, then display here warning. So write here 10, 15 and 18. Now add to cart this, view cart. Now pay with Timo and pay this. So now created sale order is the 47. Again go to your created order. So go to sales app and open this 47 number of order and display here this length with height and calculation with dimension summary. Then you go to this inventory app and move analysis. Move analysis will also display for the table in length, width, height, and it's a measurement calculation based on this your set it physical, and also display here this weight. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.